What is up, you guys? I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Samara. We're back with another video. I'm hyped because today again I'm bleaching my hair. So I'm bleaching this hair because, you know, I don't know why my hair grew out. So it did though. It did. My hair never grows fast, but I feel like over this past month it grew out a lot. And also it's fucking yellow. My hair is yellow. And also I feel like I want to be a little bit lighter today. That's what we're doing. We're bringing the blonde up closer to my roots. We are toning again and we're going a little bit lighter. So that's what we're doing today. So yeah, guys, let me just put a huge disclaimer. So after my last video, I just realized that a lot of people were telling me all this stuff that I didn't know. So it was a learning experience. Like I said in that video I did say it was my first time and it was a learning experience. So now I know a little bit more, but you know, the products I use, some people were telling me that some of the products I use, you need to be a professional licensed hairstylist to use them. So I'm just doing this on my own risk, okay? Like the products I bought off Amazon, the toners, the Redken toners, that I'm using it as at my own risk. I didn't have any bad situation last time I used them, and I bought them again, and I'm gonna use them again. And if my hair falls out, that's on me. It's my hair. I'm gonna do what I want at the end of the day, and that's that. So disclaimer, I'm not telling you to go buy these products, and I'm not saying I know everything. This is just what I'm doing, and that's on that. So yeah, we're just gonna go into it. So if you want to see me fucking bleach my hair again, stay tuned. But before you keep watching, you better subscribe right now below. Subscribe, hit the subscribe, because why wouldn't you? Yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the So I'm just gonna be working on my roots because that is hella ugly. Like, ugh. We don't like it. I'm using the same exact products as last time. I still have the Schwarzkopf BlondMe bleach. I'm still using the Pravana 20 developer. Basically what I'm doing is just focusing the first round of bleach. I'm just going to be doing my roots just to make sure that this is light as well. So we're going to do it and we're going to make it happen today. So I'm just going to mix the bleach and developer. So this is the consistency of the bleach. I just did 1 scoop powder and 1.5 scoops of the developer. So 1 to 1.5 ratio. And I'm just going to go for it because fuck it. Okay, so trial and error. I did the first piece and it was low-key hard because the piece was too big, and I feel like this will help me, this video, the cardboard, because since I'm just trying to focus on like the top of my hair, that it will help me. So I'm just going to section off another piece and we're going to try this again. So I don't know if you guys saw, but like I'm trying to be a little bit more generous with the bleach. And also like when I get to the top of my roots, I'm like turning the brush like this and like kind of feathering it up so it's not as harsh, but it'll probably still come out harsh, but it's all good. I put some bleach on the back just to get the back of the hair, and I'm just gonna make sure it's coated good one more time. Woo! Okay, so I just finished bleaching my whole head. It takes me so long, like it's ridiculous. So right now I'm just gonna wash out the pieces on the bottom that I did first because that bleach has been there for so long already. Then I'm gonna leave these in the front for a little bit longer. Then I'm gonna wash out my hair and show you guys the finished, not finished, but show you guys where I'm at right there. So okay, I'm back. The hair is yellow, the hair is uneven. It's really frizzy because I just dried it with the blow dryer just so it could be dry, not trying to smooth it or anything, and it looks crazy. So as you can see, you know, the roots are really orange on top. And let me show you guys what my hair looks like with the middle part because I fucked up. So with the middle part, my hair is higher on this side and lower on this side. So I have to fix that. And there's one spot on this side of my head that looks like a little leopard print because I have bleach on my root. I gotta find it. Hold on, guys. My hair is very uneven though. Like, this is like a freaking mess. I found it. So this section of hair I have like bleach right at my root, and then no bleach and then bleach. So I have to like fix that. So let me just hurry up and tell you guys what I'm gonna do because my hair looks crazy and I just want to freaking fix it already. I'm gonna bring the bleach higher on the left side of my hair, and then I am going to take bleach all over my head and kind of just like basically like mesh everything together. Just one round of bleach just to like blend everything together on my head. Not for a long time. I'm gonna do it for like 20 minutes. I'm not gonna be precise. I'm just gonna put it on like it's a freaking mask. I'm gonna leave it on and then I'm gonna wash it out and then we'll tone. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do. So let's just get into it. This was my BoxyCharm cardboard, guys. Sorry. I'm just gonna try and make sure that I make it even this time because it's pretty embarrassing. Real quick update, I washed out the bleach from the back of my hair and it's already such a big difference because before, like when I washed it out, the top of my hair was like bright yellow and orange and the bottom was like so dark, but now it looks pretty close. And I'm just this is gonna look okay because the toner is gonna fix everything. Yeah, I'm just gonna wash this out in about like 10 more minutes. Stay tuned. Just a quick update. This is what my hair looks like right now. Very yellow, very orange. But I'm happy that it looks pretty much the same color, like even down, because when my hair was wet before, it was like burnt, and now it looks pretty even straight down. My roots are kind of orange in some places, like really orange, but I'm hoping that the toner will tone that down. So I'm hoping that toner actually fixes this mess. And yeah, let's see what it's gonna look like. We're gonna head to the bathroom and do the toner. This is probably the easiest part of the process, just mixing it and putting it all over like a hair mask. So let's just get into it.
The next day.
Okay guys, so it is the next day. So this is my hair, the finished product. We got some yellow, we got some white, we got some gray, but overall, I don't mind because I love it. Like, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. So, let me just talk you through what happened because the last time I sat down and spoke to you guys, it was actually yesterday. Like, it's already 2 a.m. at night. So, all of today that happened and yesterday, I haven't spoken to you guys. So, let me just put you guys on. So the last clip you guys saw, I basically said, hey, I'm gonna go tone my hair and let's do this. So after toning my hair, after that, my roots were so dark and warm. Not my roots, these roots, like this section of my hair. It still is a little dark, but it was really dark, really warm, and it was just not a look. And the rest of my hair was like gray, like this, a little darker than this, really not matching, and it was horrible. Like, I was on FaceTime with my cousin, and it was just a freaking mess. And I was like, I'm done touching my hair. I'm about to dye my hair brown, blah, 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 all this stuff. So I basically went to bed and I said, I'm just gonna wait, because I actually ordered the Redken, the 4N toner, which is the dark brown toner. So that's what I used in my last video to do a shadow root. I didn't do that this time. So I said, hey, I'm gonna wait for the shadow root to come in. I'm just gonna leave my hair alone, let it breathe. Then next week when it gets here, I'm just going to re-bleach these darker parts up here and then blend it in with the dark toner. So that was my plan. But then today I woke up and I said, fuck it. I'm going to, again, re-bleach this section of my hair. Not the dark root. This to this. I'm going to re-bleach that again today. Then retone that. And then I'm just going to hope for the best, not do any shadow root, because I had no patience to wait until next week. So in the beginning of this video, you saw me bleaching this section to this section because I was bringing up my blonde. So I basically, again, re-bleached that section, not bleaching this portion of my hair. All I did today was bleach this to this, and that's it. I didn't record. I'm going to put some clips in of, not clips, but I'm going to put very short clips in of me with the bleach in my hair. I lightened that. Then I, again, went in with toner again today, and I will insert a clip of that. I just toned this to this. I let the toner in for about 25 minutes, and then at the end of the 25 minutes, I did take the rest of the toner and kind of mush it into the rest of my hair, rub it in a little bit, just for a couple minutes. Then I just washed it out. And then I did Olaplex number 3, which is this bad boy. No, it's the other one. This is the bonding smoother. The Olaplex number 3, I'll show you in the clip again. And I left that in as a mask, basically. I left that in for 45 minutes. And then I trimmed my hair, and this is the final look. Within the past 2 days, I bleached my hair 3 times. I bleached this section twice, bleached the rest of my hair only once, and I toned twice, the whole head once and just the upper section once. And I trimmed my hair, and this is where we are, guys. We made it. So I'll just show you guys with a middle part. My middle part is extremely harsh. That was one thing that was tripping me out yesterday, was how harsh my middle part is right now. This is what my hair looks like with a middle part. You can see a lot more yellow when it's in a middle part. Depending on the lighting is how good or bad it looks. So obviously you can tell I have a lot of yellow in my hair. I have a lot of yellow, white, and just really light. Like this side of my hair is just it. But I don't mind actually how harsh the middle part is right now. I just don't like the yellow. I did order a new purple shampoo, so I'm hoping that with the purple shampoo, it kind of just meshes everything out, and washing the toner out a little bit will kind of mix the yellow tones and the more cool tones in my hair. Like this is really cool right here. Overall, this is my takeaways from this process and the process I did last month. I need to work in smaller sections when doing my hair, which I noticed that I don't do that because I think I'm lazy. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little lazy. So I need to work in smaller sections of my hair because I don't do that. So definitely for the future, I know I need to do that. And I think that's just the key. Work in smaller sections and take your time when you're bleaching your hair. I probably could have avoided a lot of this yellowness and just this up here, this harshness up here, if I just were to work in smaller sections. But yeah, my roots are really harsh from the middle, but I'm not gonna lie, I don't mind it. I'm not mad at it. I'm like this close to just bleaching my roots, but like this is what I would look like with roots. Do we like it? I don't know. Should I bleach my roots? Tell me in the comments, should I bleach my roots? This is where I'm at right now. It's not everybody's cup of tea. Again, this is what I did. The products I bought, the products I used, maybe you need to be a professional hairstylist to get them, but the ones I got in the mail did just fine. I didn't have any hair fallout, no reactions, nothing like that. So this is what worked for me. You don't have to do what I do. If you don't like what I do, you don't have to watch this video, and that's on that. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry that I didn't film today. So like I didn't want to record today's process because I was so upset last night. Like, I wasn't gonna put up this video at all. I was gonna delete all the clips and everything, but I pushed through, and today I just really wanted to focus on my hair, fixing my hair because it looked horrible. Today, that's why I don't have a lot of footage from bleaching my hair today, but today all I really did was the same thing I did in the beginning of the video and toned my hair again. This is what we're at right now. We are very blonde, very uneven, but I like it. I don't mind it, and purple shampoo might be able to help me. And I love this length. Every time I cut it this length, I'm obsessed with it. You can tell I just cut it. Yeah, guys, I'm so happy with where we are in this process. I don't think I'll be going any lighter than this, and I don't think I'll ever be going back to brown, even though I said that 2 years ago. But here we are. Again, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, all that, share it, whatever you gotta do. And if you want to see this makeup look, it will be up probably after this. If it's up after this, make sure you're subscribed to see when it goes up. I hope you like this video. Thank you for joining me on this crazy ass bleaching process, and I will see you in the next one.